Today, we're exploring one of the most important chemical processes in industry, the Solvay process. This is how we turn common materials like salt and limestone into soda ash, a chemical used in glass, soap, and paper. Let's dive in. Step 1. Raw materials. The Solvay process starts with just 3 simple ingredients: salt, sodium chloride, limestone, calcium carbonate, and ammonia, NH. Add water, and that's all we need. Step 2. Main reactions. 1. First, limestone is heated to release carbon dioxide, CO. 2. That carbon dioxide is bubbled into salty water that has ammonia dissolved in it, called ammoniated brine. 3. Here, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, forms as a solid. 4. When we heat sodium bicarbonate, it turns into sodium carbonate, soda ash, the final product. Step 3. Recycling ammonia. The leftover solution regenerates the ammonia, so the process can keep running efficiently without wasting materials. Importance.